Most people train for years and still never build a physique that actually looks impressive. They go to the gym, they sweat, they work hard, but they still look the exact same. And honestly, that's why so many people quit, because nobody actually teaches people how muscle growth works naturally. The fitness industry today keeps selling people shortcut after shortcut, program after program, supplement to supplement, while most people never even master the basics. So in this video, I'm going to show you what actually builds muscle naturally, what matters, what doesn't, and why most people stay small for years, why most people don't grow. The biggest reason most people don't build muscle is because they never truly train hard enough to force, they just exercise. There's a massive difference between working out and training. Training means you're trying to improve something every single week. More reps, more weight, better execution, better control, more intensity. Your body only adapts when it's forced to adapt. If you keep giving your body the exact same stimulus, why would it change? That's why progressive overload matters so much. And no, doesn't mean you ego lift. That means progression can be better form, more control, deeper reps, harder sets, or simply pushing yourself further than the last time. Most people stay comfortable, but muscle growth does not happen and comfort. What actually builds muscle? So what actually builds muscle? Honestly, there are only few things that truly matter. First, mechanical tension. This is the biggest driver for muscle growth, putting muscle under hard resistance through a full training of motion. That's why movements like presses, rows, squats, pull-ups, and RDLs are so important to build muscle. Heavy controlled tension forces your body to grow. Second, intensity. You do not need to destroy yourself every workout, but you do need to train hard. Most people quit their sets way too early. If your set looks comfortable, it probably was. Probably had a lot left in the tank. Those last hard reps, that's where growth actually happens. Third, consistency. This is the part nobody wants to hear. Not even myself. People with insane physiques usually are not more motivated than you. They just stayed consistent longer. That's it. That's literally the bread and butter. Consistency. Training for years of eating right, years of discipline. That's what builds impressive physiques naturally. Best way to train for size. If your goal is building muscle naturally, here's what actually matters the most. First, prioritize compound movements. Your training should revolve around exercises that train multiple muscles at once. Bench press, squats, rows, pull-ups, deadlifts. These movements build foundation of your physique. Isolation work matters too, but compounds should always be your base. Second, use stable exercises. You do not need flashy social media workouts. Most of the best muscle building exercises are actually basic, stable, controlled, easy to progressively overload. That's why machines, cables, dumbbells, and barbells work so well. Third, use the full range of motion. Most people shorten reps because doing exercises correctly is harder, but the stretch portion of movement is incredibly important for muscle growth. Slow the weight down, control the movement, make the muscle actually work. Finally, recover properly. A lot of people think more volume automatically means more growth. It doesn't. Training breaks muscle down. Recovery is what builds it back stronger. You do not grow while lifting. You grow from recovering from lifting. Nutrition for muscle growth. You can train perfectly, but if your nutrition sucks, your results will too. First, protein. Protein is the foundation for muscle recovery and growth. If you're not consistently eating enough protein, body will struggle to recover properly. Second, calories matter. Most skinny people generally do not eat enough calories. They think they eat a lot, but once they actually track calories, they realize they barely eat enough for maintenance for their body. If you want to grow, your body needs fuel to grow. Third, stop dirty bulking. Building muscle does not mean becoming unhealthy. You do not need to gain 40 pounds in 3 months. A small calorie surplus works best for most natural lifters. Enough food to grow without getting sloppy. Recovery and sleep. This is probably the most ignored part of muscle growth that I struggle the most with. So sleep. Your recovery, your hormones, your performance, your energy, your growth, all of it will suffer when your sleep sucks. You can't train hard and consistently if your body never fully recovers. And recovery is more than just taking rest days. Recovery also means hydration, stress management, mobility, nutrition, and managing fatigue properly. You do not grow inside the gym. You grow outside of it. Why most people stay stuck. Most people stay stuck because they switch programs every 2 weeks. They train without intensity. They never track progress. They don't recover properly. They don't eat enough, and they quit too early. The truth is, building muscle naturally takes time. But if you stay disciplined, if you stay patient, keep showing up, your body will change, I promise. If you genuinely want to build muscle naturally, stop looking for shortcuts, master the basics, train hard, recover harder, stay consistent. That's how robot physiques are made. Not in 3 days, not from one secret workout, not from one magical supplement, but from years of effort nobody sees. And this is your year, and it's my year too. It's everyone's year to grow. I've been training since I was 15. I'm an infantryman in the army. Been in for 3.5 years. I deployed once for 11 months, overseas for 9 months, and honestly, during deployment, I lost myself for a while. I gained weight, I stopped feeling confident, I stopped feeling like myself, mentally and physically. And I know there's a lot of people out there dealing with the same thing right now. People trying to rebuild themselves, people trying to become confident again, people trying to become disciplined again. That's a huge reason why I'm starting YouTube again. Not because I'm perfect, but because I know what it's like to feel yourself and slowly fight your way back. I also have multiple personal training certifications I plan on continuing to earn more, but this channel is bigger than just workouts. It's about rebuilding yourself mentally, physically, and emotionally. I want to inspire people to realize that you can change your life if you truly commit to it. No matter where you are currently, no matter how far behind you feel, you can become stronger, healthier, more confident. You can become someone you're proud of. I'm documenting the entire process from strength, aesthetics, conditioning, mindset, and rebuilding my physique from the ground up. So if you want to follow the journey, please subscribe. And if you want to see more of me outside of YouTube, I do stream Twitch too. A link in bio should be a link tree in the description or in my about page area. I'll see you in the next one. But anyways, have a good night and God bless you. Bye bye.